In this video, I'm going to show how to replace the Serpentine belt on this Ford F-350 with a 6.2 liter V8 engine. Located right on the front of your engine, let's get started. From under the hood, reaching down with a 1/2-inch ratchet or breaker bar, whatever you have that fits in here, find the Serpentine belt tensioner. It's going to be on the passenger side, and you're going to want to stick that ratchet in to the cutout, just like this. Make sure it's fully seated, otherwise it'll pop out when you try to pull on it. Then you'll actually want to push down or turn clockwise. There we go. And as you do that, you should be able to remove the belt off of any pulley. I'm going to pick the alternator just because it's up top here, easy to access. Now take your tool off of the tensioner, pop it out. Now let's pull the belt right up and out of here. It is looped around the AC compressor on one side at the bottom, but the other side at the bottom has the power steering pump. So you're going to have to unhook one of those two first, and then you'll be able to start pulling it right up and off. Take it off the crank or harmonic balancer. There we go. Down here we're going to have to take it off of the AC compressor. So slide it down, pull it away, and now you can slide it right up and out. All right. And there's your belt. All right, it's time to put the belt back on. Here's the diagram on the screen so you can follow it along and make sure that you get it right on all the pulleys. Put it between the tensioner and the engine block and basically fish it down towards that AC compressor. Since we're there, we might as well put it on the AC compressor. All right, once it's centered up, pull it and just, there we go. Try to seat it. My next step is going to be putting it around the harmonic balancer and then the power steering pump, which is on the other side at the bottom. Looks like I've got it on every pulley except for the alternator at the top, so that's perfect. I'm going to put my tool in. All right, there we go. Make sure it's fully seated on all the pulleys. Perfect. Take your tool out. Double check all the pulleys visually to make sure that the belt is centered, and it looks like it is. It's important that you do this because if it's not centered on any of the pulleys, it can fall off while the engine's running. Everything is good to go, so now you would run the engine for a split second, shut it back off, make sure everything is still in position, and there you go. Job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.